If you've been dreaming about a fresh start, but your house is holding you back, I've got great news for you. You don't have to stay stuck any longer. Cash for Keys Home Buyers purchases homes as is, no matter the condition. You won't have to worry about repairs, cleanup, or strangers walking through your property. Call now to get a cash offer within 30 minutes and close in as fast as 9 days. Picture this: no more costly repairs, no more mortgage payments, no property weighing you down. The sale happens on your timeline and there are no fees, no commissions, and no hidden costs. Just cash in hand and the freedom to move forward. With over 10 years of experience in real estate and construction, we know exactly what homeowners go through. We're here to offer honest solutions and walk you through the process without pressure. Ready for a fresh start? Call us now for your no obligation 30-minute cash offer and take control of your future.